Hey guys, welcome to MathCube with me Navya. In this video we're going to learn third part of exercise 11.1 and first part, second part video link is in the description and it's also available in the playlist. You can check it out. We'll move on to our first question. The horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. Find the area of that part in which horse can graze. So we have to use pi f 3.14. So they have given diagram for this question. So now let's take a square field S, A, B, C, D and length of rope as 5 meter. So length 5 meter na radius will also be 5 meter. Now we need to find the area of the field which horse can graze. So now you imagine there is a horse which is tied in the center of the square field. Now and the grass எப்படி graze பண்ணோம்னா full circling momentல it can graze. But here it is tied at one end of the square field. So now and the grass எப்படி graze பண்ணோம்னா only in R shape momentல it can graze. For on the arc shaper, we can mark it as P and Q. For now, we need to find area of the sector QAB. Since in square all angles are 90 degree, we can write angle QAB is equal to 90 degree. So here area of the sector QAB is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. So when we substitute the values, we'll get 90 degree divided by 360 degree into 3.14 into 5 square. So that is 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 5 into 5. So when we do multiplication, we'll get 19.625. So that is area of field which horse can graze. That is area of sector QAB is equal to 19.625 meter square. So we'll move on to the next part of the question. The increase in the grazing area if the rope ends it of 5 meter. So here in the previous question we had length of the rope is 5 meter. So in this question the length of the rope is increased. So we'll just assume that length of the rope is increased to 10 meter. So here radius will also be 10 meter. So we have to find the area of the field which horse can graze. So again the horse will graze in an arc shape movement. For that arc we'll just mark it as G and H. So here area grazed by horse, that is area of sector HAG is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. So when we substitute we'll get 90 degree divided by 360 degree into 3.14 into 10 to the power of full square. So when we do multiplication we'll get 78.5 meter square. So area grazed by horse is equal to 78.5 meter square. So now we need to find increase in grazing area, that is area grazed by horse finally minus area grazed by horse previously, that is area of sector HAG minus area of sector QAP. So that is 78.5 minus 19.625. So when we subtract we'll get 58.875 meter square. So increase in grazing area is 58.875 meter square. We'll move on to our next question. A brooch is made with silver wire in form of circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameter which divides the circle into 10 equal sector as shown in the figure. Find the total length of the silver wire required. So here in this question they have given the brooch is made with silver wire in form of a circle. So here diameter of the brooch is 35 centimeter. இதே மாதிரி 5 diameters இருக்கு. So that all divides 10 equal parts. So now we need to find the radius of the brooch, that is diameter divided by 2. That is 35 divided by 2. So here since wire is used in making 5 diameters and circle, we can write total wire is used is equal to length of the wire in circle plus wire used in 5 diameters. So length of the wire in circle is equal to circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 35 divided by 2. So when we multiply we'll get 110 millimeter. So now wire used in 5 diameters is equal to 5 into diameter of circle, that is equal to 5 into 35, that is 175 millimeter. So now we need to find total wire is used, that is total wire is used is equal to length of wire in circle plus wire used in 5 diameter, that is 110 plus 175 is equal to 285 millimeter. We'll move on to the next part of the question. Find the area of each sector of the brooch. So since wire divides the circle into 10 equal sector, we can write area of each sector of the brooch is equal to 1 by 10 into area of all sector of the brooch. We also know that area of all sector of the brooch is equal to area of circle, that is pi r square. So when we substitute we'll get 22 divided by 7 into 35 divided by 2 to the power of whole square. That is 22 divided by 7 into 35 divided by 2 into 35 divided by 2, that is 11 into 5 into 35 divided by 2, that is 55 into 35 divided by 2. So hence we can write area of each sector of the brooch is equal to 1 by 10 into area of all sector of the brooch, that is 1 by 10 into 55 into 35 divided by 2, that is equal to 385 divided by 4 millimeter square. So area of each sector is equal to 385 divided by 4 millimeter square. We'll move on to our next question. Umbrella of 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be flat circle of radius 45 cm, find the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So in the question we have a diagram. So there is an umbrella with 8 ribs. Adhe madri flat circle of radius 45 cm of an umbrella. So if you see this flat circle, it looks like a area of circle. So area of umbrella is equal to area of circle. Adhe madri area of rib namala find panano. So that is area of rib is equal to 1 by 8 because we have 8 ribs. So that is 1 by 8 into area of umbrella. So area of umbrella is equal to area of circle. So that is area of umbrella is equal to pi r square. So when we substitute, we will get area of rib is equal to 1 by 8 into area of umbrella, that is 1 by 8 into 22 divided by 7 into 45 to the power of whole square. So when we simplify, we will get 22,275 divided by 28 centimeter square. So area between two consecutive ribs is equal to 22,275 divided by 28 centimeter square. We'll move on to our last question. The car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 cm sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. So in this question they have given the length of the blade is 25 cm, so radius will be 25 cm. Adhe madri sweeping angle is equal to 115 kuduthirukanga. So now we need to find total area cleaned by two wipers. So if you see this diagram, area cleaned by one wiper will be equal to area of sector. So we can easily say area cleaned by two wipers equal to 2 into area cleaned by one wiper, that is 2 into area of sector. So when we substitute, we'll get 2 into theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. So when we substitute the values, we'll get 2 into 115 divided by 360 degree into 22 divided by 7 into 25 to the power of whole square. So when we do simplification, we'll get 1,58,125 divided by 126 centimeter square. For total area cleaned by two wipers equal to 1,254.96 centimeter square. In this video, we have learned third part of exercise 11.1 and previous sums of exercise 11.1. Video link is in the description and it's also available in the playlist. You can check it out, and if you have any doubt, comment me on comment section. Thank you.